The PMLN, that's Pakistan Muslim League Supremo, demands judicial reference against 3 Supreme Court judges. Nawaz Sharif says Pakistan cannot afford a one-man show, and that's his warning. If such decisions are made, then the dollar will hit 500 rupees. Nawaz Sharif has said that a reference should be filed in the Supreme Judicial Council against 3 judges, including the Chief Justice of the Supreme Court, Umar Atta Bandial. Nawaz also said that we've been seeing this for 70 years since 1953. Decisions have been coming under the theory of necessity. The elected prime ministers are repeatedly manipulated. The bench of 3 judges is not accepting the decision of 4 judges. This decision is a one-man show. This decision is a charge sheet against these judges. Nawaz further said that if such decisions are made, then the dollar will rise up to 500 rupees. Vegetables, pulses, and everything will become too expensive. People of Pakistan are getting the real punishment because of these decisions. And this is a CNN exclusive that we're getting you. The Federal Cabinet rejected the decision of the Supreme Court. According to the sources, the Federal Cabinet termed the Supreme Court's decision as a minority decision. The decision of the Supreme Court is not enforceable. This decision was given by deviating from the Constitution and the law. The lawyers of the ruling party were not even heard. This issue will be raised in all relevant forums, including the Parliament. The Cabinet considered various options in constitutional and legal matters. Federal Minister Azam Nazir Tarar said in the Parliament the Supreme Court itself has given the date and released the election schedule. Decisions given in haste to not bring stability. We joined hands and requested. All right. This is a long statement that's coming in from there. Let me go across to my colleague Abhishek Jha, who's been tracking this. Abhishek, put this in perspective for us.
So, Pakistan's incumbent government led by Nawaz Sharif was in a way trying to create some sort of dilution in Pakistan's judiciary, where they were expecting some sort of favorable judgment would coming in their side, but now it looks like the latest judgment by the Supreme Court of Pakistan on the issue of elections to be held in Pakistan's Punjab province and Khyber Pakhtunkhwa, where PTI has been a leading party. In fact, PTI was the incumbent government in Punjab when they dissolved the state legislative assembly and called for an early general election. And in that context, they had tried to dissolve the assembly. But Pakistan's government, Pakistan's election commission initially declared the election date in Punjab and Khyber Pakhtunkhwa in May, but then surprisingly they pushed it to October, which was then challenged by a PTI in Supreme Court, where Supreme Court has now said that those those changing of dates were illegal, and they have restored the date of elections in Punjab and Khyber Pakhtunkhwa in May, and this has not gone down well with the Nawaz Sharif government, which is now expecting some sort of, defeat in Punjab because of the kind of, sympathy wave and the support that Imran Khan has been able to generate over the past several weeks. And this is why they have been trying to claim that the judiciary is being is not enough, and prime ministers in Pakistan have been manipulated in the past several years, and the reform that they were trying to bring in was very much necessary in Pakistan.
Abhishek, stay with us.